This is going to be a video tutorial on how to check your CPU usage in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, the best way to see what's going on with your CPU in Windows 11, to see how much power you're using, what applications are using the most CPU, you want to go down to your Start icon down in the taskbar. You want to right click on it and you want to go up to Task Manager. Click on Task Manager. Now this opens up the Task Manager dialog box. I'm under the Processes tab here, and you can see what apps you have open and what type of power they're using. CPU's right here, memory's over here. As you can see, my Camtasia recorder software is using up a little bit of power. An even better way to view what's going on with your CPU is to click on the Performance tab up here at the top. Click on Performance. And the very first tab on the left side pane here, CPU, make sure you click on that. And it gives you all types of information on your CPU. It tells you right up here, it tells you what your CPU is, what gigahertz your CPU runs at. Down here, it tells you, it gives you a little graph of what's going on with your CPU, how much power you're using. The tab off to the left hand side, CPU, it tells you exactly I'm using 9% of my CPU's power. It's constantly changing, as you can see. Down here at the bottom, it gives you even more stats down here. But that's two really good ways to measure your CPU in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.